We got Elwood out there at this recorder again, and Doc's driving the truck with Elwood's S5D. There's Elwood putting a K5H up there. Canadian tuned. Doc and my dad. It's we used to be an M3, and now he added a little valve on there so you can change it from an M3 to an M5. Blow just what it would sound like is the 3 chime now. And ready for one of Elwood's 3 chime steam whistles. Let's get her going, baby. Takes air quick. Elwood's 5 chime whistle he built. Down here we have 2 snow cones that I was given, Amtrak type, that will be going onto my K5 LA horn, and some of the brackets used to attach the snow cones to the horn. The first horn that I ever got, my K5 LA, and I've already started to put the snow cones on, and as you can see, they attach quite simply. You have to drill a hole in the horn and then attach it with the nut and bolt. I use lock washers, and then do the same with the snow cone. Put a nut and bolt on there, and they have 3 brackets attached like so. This is my first attempt at ever putting snow cones on a horn. I think they came up pretty well, not too hard. Just gotta be careful drilling the holes through the horns, because you want to make sure you get it right on the first time. I'm pretty impressed overall. They look pretty darn good. Well, it's on my mind. Figure out how to videotape this. This is an adjustable K-horn back cap, and you can actually blow the horn with using nothing but lung power. And it's a pretty simple thing, going for a very high price. You think the thing's made of gold. All it is you have this screw inside of a lock nut, and the screw just puts tension onto the diaphragm. And you adjust the screw to wherever it blows with the desired air pressure, and then tighten up that lock nut right there so it stays at the desired setting. Now, a friend of mine, Chuck Bloomley, has made one himself from scratch, and it looks like so. There's the inside of it, and I think his looks even better than the one produced by AirChime themselves. I mean, it's the same principle. You got the nut and the bolt that pushes the pressure on. Now, the thing that AirChime, or Nathan I should say, forgot to send to me would be, if I can find it here, here it is, this little disc that goes onto the inside of the diaphragm. See, mine, I used this on my K5 to test it out, and this little screw here actually dented my diaphragm because there was no plate to go in there which distributes the pressure on the diaphragms evenly. Goes in like that, and that's what pushes on the diaphragm. So I don't know, I'm trying to get a replacement diaphragm from Nathan.